Okay, hi, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss regarding regular expression. Okay, so it's very popular and very useful topic in JavaScript, regular expression. Okay, so with this we can do so many things on the string. Okay, basically it's most of the time maximum it is used only for the string. Okay, so we are going to do so many operations on the string and it makes us very easy for us to do multiple operation. Okay, so the syntax you can see here, it's a slash, the regex pattern and the slash. There is no any quotes, nothing is required here, right? So this is the symbol or this is the syntax for it. Okay, let's go for this one. So regular expression, so it's nothing like but it's a pattern, like some text in between double slash. Okay, so that pattern will help us to do multiple operations in string. Like let's suppose you have a string called hi John, right? You can see in the screen you have a string called hi John, and you wanted to match this string whether this string contains this text or not. Hi. So one thing you can do using index of also you can do. Okay, using index of also you can do, or else using regex you can do. Hi. So it will just give you whether it is present or there or not. Okay, but if we can do using index of, then why we are going to use regex? So regex has additional feature other than using index of or includes to search the text inside the string. Okay, so regular has other feature. So I'll tell you multiple feature why we are going to use regex, why not index of, why not includes. Okay, so basically yeah, so this is the notation, like regular pattern, double slash, pattern, that is a text or kind of like multiple characters or some classes will come, so many things will come here in the regex. Okay, with slash flags. So this flags is only one advantage, like one advantage I can note it, so that we are going to use regex instead of index of. Okay, so I'll tell you regarding this flag what advantage it is giving us and what disadvantage we'll get from index of and include. Okay, and we have some method called test, search, replace. So these are all the methods which will used on the regular expression. Okay, so it can do so many things. So further in the slides we'll see the advantage of regular expression and how to manipulate and work on the string on the high level. Okay, so understood. So regular expression, so you can see here, let re, we are defining one regular expression slash hi slash, and we are writing one more re. So this regular expression got satisfied or got true with this string or not. So see, hi John, so hi present in the John, if it is yes, then it's returned true. In other way, in constructor function we have new reg expression, pattern and the flag. So we have another label, like either you can write like literal way slash slash, or you can write this way. So both are, there is a difference between both also. Okay, so we'll check in further, but now you understood, like we can write the regular expression like this and we can test on the string. Okay, so see, we can write re dot test. Okay, and then hello John. Okay, so either this way you can write the pattern or this way you can write the pattern. Okay, here it will be regex. Okay, so both way it will give true. So we have one method called test method which allows us to test if the string contain the matching pattern or not. If it contains the matching pattern, it will return true, or else it returns false. So let's get back to the uh, this one on the VS Code and let's test it out. Okay, so let's start. Let regex equals, okay, and we'll just write forward slash. Okay, nothing else, no any other quotes or what is that, double quotes or single quotes or backticks. Okay, because if you write backticks then it will become a normal string. Okay, so I'm just writing hello. Okay, so this is my regex and I have one string called, I am just writing one string where you have like multiple things like hello John, how are you doing? Okay, fine. So this is the string. So let's suppose you have a thousand lines of string and you wanted to search something on that string. Like, see how you will go to Word, or you'll go to some document and you will search. Okay, I wanted to control F, you will click and you will search. Like, okay, I wanted to get this. What is that? This hello. So that is basically works based on the regex. Okay, so we are going to check. So it's just having now seen. Now you are able to see only small text. But let's suppose you are searching. Now see, I will go here, right, in this document, and I just wanted to search. I'll do Control F and I'll just search Node.js, right? So this Node.js is nothing but it's a regular expression search. We can think it as of now. Okay. So in this entire 1,000 pages, which page has name or letter word called node? So it will just point me out to that page. Okay. So this is one good example so that we are learning regular expression. Okay. And here you can see, even though we are writing node in small letter, still it can capture capital letter Node.js as well. See, the value is the same, like node and node, but the written text is different. It is small one and it is capital one, starting with capital, but still it searches. This is only one advantage of regular expression other than using index of, because see, with index of also we can search, but index of we have to search means we have to write proper format, proper text, then it will search. If you want to write proper text, it won't search. But in regular expression we have to define, if we define normal word keyword, it will search. Either it is capital letter, small letter, or mix of capital or small letter, it will search. Okay, so that also we are going to check. Okay, so let's see. So this is the one. So we are just writing one result. So let's result equals we are just writing regex dot test with what string? So str. So it will return either true or false if the things is matching. Okay, so now I'll just write console.log and I'll just write result. Now by seeing, you are getting to, okay, it's a hello, all are in small, but it's a hello starting with capital. So in this case, regular expression will fail at this moment. Okay, so once I execute this, you can see it's returning false, means it's telling hello is not present in this string, right? Same thing will happen when you will write with index of. Let's suppose if I want to check with index of, so I'll just write instead of result, I'll just write str dot index of. Okay, and I'll just write hello. So this also returns me the same thing, right? It will return -1 because index of will return -1, or if you use include, it will return -1. Even regular expression is failing. So basically this is the use for testing regular expression. But how to match this? How to match in like ignoring the case, right? So if we ignore the case, like either uppercase or lowercase, we have to add one parameter called I after slash. So this is only advantage. In index of you can't write, right? So in index of you can't write. So what advantage regular expression is giving? To search. Now see, now if I write, after writing the I symbol, that denotes like ignore the sensitive. Okay, by default it's case sensitive, but ignore the cases. So what it happens, it will just check the value hello hello, so it will just return true. Now, so this is only the advantage of using regular expression other than using index of or includes. Okay, understood this much what is going on regular expression, why we are using?
Hello.
Yeah, man.
Sir, in syllabus example, first
Mhm.
in regex hello sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, small letter, capital letter. It takes one output.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Tell me once again.
So in search box, we will search hello.
uh,
In search box, we will search hello.
mhm.
Oh. Then in paragraph, anywhere, the hello, capital letter or small letter, it mark, yes sir.
Yeah, it mark. That is only I'm
Okay.
telling. That is basically using regular expression.
Okay.
So same thing we are studying here. See,
So
so
in
previously,
this example, first line
ha,
hello,
ha,
small letters.
small
Second
letters,
second line hello, capital letters.
capital letters, but
Why
still it's matching.
it falls
Pass.
first?
When I wrote I, if I want write I, then it won't match. Okay, this feature is only not there in the index of. See, regular expression has this feature like it's telling ignore. Okay, I. So basically when you are seeing this document, no, here basically in big background we can think of like ourselves like it's written I. Okay, so it's like node slash I. So that is the reason capital also it's supporting, small also it will support. Okay, that is the advantage of using regular expression. Okay,
Sir, why we will put I, sir?
I. If you want put I, see, if you want put I, then if the regular pattern is small letter and if the
Yes,
string having the capital letter, then it won't match.
yes, sir.
Okay, so I denotes ignore case because it is uppercase, it is lowercase or camel case, Pascal case, so many cases will be there, right?
Oh,
So
okay,
if
sir.
I write I denotes for ignore the cases. So either it is having a small case or camel case, Pascal case or uppercase, lowercase, it doesn't matter. It will just
Oh,
ignore.
okay,
Now
sir.
after writing I, you can see it's a giving value as true
Okay, sir.
because it's ignoring. So same thing is happening here also we are supposing. So we are writing a small letter node, but on the background, on the behind the scene, it might writing the I. So that is the reason node is supporting to node, capital. Okay. So this is only advantage of using regular expression. Okay, understood?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Now one more thing you can see here. I am writing hello, right? So let's suppose I wanted to get whatever matched character is there, no, whatever matched data is there, I wanted to get. See, this test method is giving you only true or false. So it is useful for us when we are checking with if else condition, right? When we are going to if else condition, then we have to check if it is true or false. So that time we can use test. But let's suppose you wanted to get that data which got matched in that string. So let's suppose I wanted to get this hello because it matched this hello and this hello matched, so I wanted to get this hello from this string. So for that, instead of test, we'll write match. Okay, we'll write match. So in this scenario, what will happen? It will just give you the data. Oh, sorry, it will be opposite. Okay, str dot regex. Okay, now what happens? It will give you the data. Now see, it's giving you whatever it got match in array. Understood? Whatever it got match in array. But you can see this, we can see this is the value basically, and it's an index of 0 it's showing, and input groups, all those things are showing. So you have to ignore these all. Just you have to get the value, right? So now see, here one hello is there, right? And here one hello is there. Okay, so this string has only one hello, right? So it's giving you hello. But if let's suppose this strings are two hello, let's suppose two hello. So this time once I execute this, still it's giving me only one hello. Means it is returning the first matching word, whatever matched with the pattern. Okay, first matching word. So that is the reason every time when we execute this, it will return first matching. Like how index of also returns same, includes also return same, right? So all these things returns same. So one more advantage in regular expression is we can write G after I, or we can write only G. G stands for global search. Okay, global search means search from top to bottom and get the list of all matching word. Okay, G stands for global search. So if you write I, which ignores the cases, and if you write G, which search entirely, not only the first match, it will search another again till it will end of the string, it will search. Now in this stage you will get multiple data. See, if I change this as a small hello and I'll just write capital LL so that to differentiate, still you will get both the data. Okay, that is because of global. This feature is not there in include or index of, right? Index of only search with specific format, case sensitive. Okay, but regular expression gives you this advantage. Okay, so if you want to check right in the if else condition, you have to use test. If you want to get what got matched from that string, give me all the data which got matched in the string based on my regular expression, so that using match method you can just execute and get the things, okay, inside the array. Got it? Understood? So
Yes,
it's
sir.
very huge. Regular expression is not small, it's very huge. We'll take, I think, two to three classes for this, okay, to understand deeply. And it's very much important in your interview or solving the problem. When you go for solving the string problem, no, that time you'll have lots of advantage of using regular expression. Okay, so let's go back to this. Okay, so we have already tested with test. Now let's go to next slide. So next slide I told you already, like we have ignore flag, which is I, okay, after the regular expression, and we have global flag, which gives us multiple outputs. See, this is okay, this is okay, searching okay with GI means global search with ignore case, either IG or GI, any format is fine. Okay, then it will search okay inside this string, and all the matching things it will return, and using match method we have to do it. Okay, so all the things it will return. So global search and ignore cases, these two you have to remember. Okay, next, so next we are going to use replace method. Okay, so till now you have checked with, like, you till now, let's suppose if I'll tell you, like, I have this string, and I wanted to replace hello with some hi, okay, or with some other word. So what you will do, either you will split this first, right? So normally if I'll ask you these things, then what you will do, you will just write a split. So basically let's suppose I'm just giving a scenario to you, like replace hello with hi, right? Replace hello with hi in this string. So replace hello with hi in this string. What you will do, you will just write, first you will write splitting. So you will just split with space, right? Okay, so once it got split, you will just search with, so you will just search with if what is that, what is that, hello, sorry, not here, if str dot index of, or instead of split also you can do this, like index of, you can just write, okay, str dot index of hello, you will write, right? So str of index of hello, so we have to split from this value and this value, right? This value and this value. So either you can write split as I told, okay, and then you will do for loop, right? You will do for loop, let I of splitted data, and you will just write if I equal to hello, or I equal to hello. Okay, just replace that same. So replace the same means what you have to do, you have to write. So instead of when you are going to work with index, you can't use of. So I equal to 0, I less than split data dot length I plus plus. Okay, so split data of I, and here also you will write split data of I. So if anyone got maths, then what you will do, split data of I you will replace with what, hi. Then now once this loop will complete, what you will do, you will just do let result equal to split data dot join, okay, with this, and now you will see the result. You will get, hi John, how are you doing, hello. I think hello, O is caps, okay, that is the reason it's not giving. O should be C. So both got replaced. So either you are doing this way, like splitting the string and then going for loop and doing all this way. Instead of that, what you can do, instead of writing all these things, just you remove all the things. So I'm commenting this and just write, okay, let result equal to, okay, str dot replace method. Okay, so replace method has, first is the which data you want to replace, either using regular expression or using normal string. So let's suppose I'm writing here regular expression, that is hello, I wanted to replace with hi. Okay, so I wanted to replace with hi. So now let's see what is the output it's coming. Okay, oh okay, so it's not matching because we have not used ignore cases, right? So I'll just write ignore cases and I'll just check. So see, but what has happened, replace also what it's doing, hello, it's searching in this string and it's finding on the first, right? So only the first matching it is trying to replace, right? So you can see hi John, but it's still doing hello, it didn't replaced. So in place of that we'll just write G. So what we are telling, search to entire string, check where hello is, and that data you just replace with hi. So now if we check, we are getting hi John, hi. Understood? So instead of doing this many things, using regex, having ignore case and global search, using one method replace, we can replace something in that string. So basically regular expression you have seen, one to test whether the data is there or not, it's like a searching mechanism. Other is to replace, means you are searching and replacing the things. Okay, you are searching and replacing the things. Like see here, I'll do control F, right, and I'll do hello hello. This is a VS Code. Now if I'll press here down, it will be replace. So what it happens, wherever entire hello will be there, no, everywhere it will just replace. Okay, so this type of feature we can implement using regular expression. Got it? So replace, so many things regular expression can do. Still you have to check with that our syllabus. Okay, so we are replacing. So here also you can see string are you okay, you yes I'm okay. So I'm just replacing with okay, and global search means entire, means everywhere search with all entire string, and wherever okay is there just replace with fine. Okay, so wherever replace is there, it will just replace with fine. Okay, or either you can write are you okay, only one place you want to do, then just okay with a specific symbol, then okay fine, so it will just return are you fine, and but this okay will not change. Okay, so either like this way or using global search. You can replace the data. Okay, so this replace will work. Okay, so what is the advantage? So just now we saw advantage, like two advantages in front of our eyes only we saw, right? One advantage we saw, like we can search in the text or in the document using regular expression. One advantage we saw, like we can search plus we can replace also, right? We can replace the text, so that we have seen. So like this, some advantages are there here. Okay, so like pattern matching and searching, so it's like a matching. So this you are seeing, this is a regular expression with some other like symbols and all. So these symbols we are going to study in further. Okay, so don't focus on now this one. Okay, the examples, just try to understand what is that. So pattern matching, so basically it will match and search, right? So this is one advantage of using regular expression. Another is efficient text replacement. So just now recently we replaced text with one word to another word, right? So that is one thing. Another is validation. So let's suppose you are going to do project and you have like email id, what is that, password. So in many of the website, when you went to submit the form or fill the form for government website or any website, you will be like there will be one like format will be written, like password should match like one uppercase letter, two lowercase letter, and it should be 8 digit. So all those, that constraint they will give, no, while you create the password or while you write the email. Let's suppose you are writing the email, but that is not in proper format. That is like abcd123 you are writing, but email is not that format, right? Email is like some word at the rate some domain name, right? gmail.com. So it should be that format. So to validating the input also we need regular expression. Like see here we are validating, we are telling like 4 letter, like alpha character with 2 digit. So I'm writing 4 alpha character and 2 digit. So if that will be there, then only it will return true, or else it will return false. So we can validate the inputs as well. Okay, same way data extraction will be there. Data extraction means like with some, this all regular expression we can extract the data. Okay, we can extract the data, we can get the data. So these are there the advantage of regular expression. Understood what is the regular expression today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
now let's go for regular expression components. So there are multiple components, like see just now we saw some d and all, which you didn't understand what exactly these are, right? So still these only we are going to see in detail. Okay, so see, one is character class. So character class is nothing but like see, like it's a symbol of set of characters which matches to the string. Like see, first we are seeing slash slash, already you know this is regular expression. Now open bracket a hyphen z close bracket. So this denotes like match any lowercase letter from a to z. Okay, a to z, so match any lowercase letter from a to z. Okay, understood. Now same way slash d, why we are writing, why we can't write d, but if you write slash d, that will search for d. Okay, so they have like some different meaning for this d. So d is for digit, but if I write d normal way without with slash and slash, then it will ignore, like it will just search with the d later. So to give it a special feature, they have just made one backward slash here. Okay, so this slash d matches any digit equivalent to 0 to 9. So if let's suppose you have one string like hello 234 and you want only the what is that, you want only what is that, all the lowercase letter. Okay, all the lowercase letter, so all the letter from this string. So I'm writing here a to z slash global, means entire string you want to get all the lowercase letter. So you will get ELLO. H you are not getting because we have written small a to z. But here if I write after this square bracket completion, if I write one more a, capital A to capital Z, then it will get H as well. Okay, so these all element will return using match. And same way if you want to get digit from this string, then you just write slash d and you will get all the digit in array. Okay, so this type of feature, so these all feature is nothing but it's like used for further process when you are going to validate the payload. Basically in our project we are using just to validation purpose. So validation purpose we are going to use regular expression now. Okay, so this is the character case. Another is inverse case. Inverse case means you can see slash d for digit. Okay, same way slash capital D for alphabetical. Okay, so slash capital D for alphabetical. It's nothing but it's like a small a to z, capital A to z combined. Because see, if I do slash D, it will return uppercase with lowercase. Okay, so it's like a inverse of the digit. Digit inverse is alpha, alpha inverse is digit. Okay, so let's test this out. Okay, so let's create str. We'll just write hi, my id is 235, sorry 354. Okay, so let's result. So I want all the small letter, okay, from this, okay, from this string. So all the small letters. So I'll just write str dot match. Okay, so I'll just write regex, okay, which is a to z. Okay, and then I'll write slash g, so it will return in all global way. If I want to write g, then it will only return h, sorry I, it will only return the I, because only one first matching. Okay, so I'll just write console.log and just write result. Now see all the small letter from there. So if I want capital letter, then I'll just have to write capital A to capital Z. So this time it will return all small and capital. Oh, okay, it's not returning. Okay, I think might be there is some this one, so it won't return. It might take only one at a time. Okay, so it's returning all capital from the string. Okay, so once testing, if you go for test, then it might use for this. Okay, so now see, now if I want to return all the digits, see, if I write only D, then it will just match with D, right? It just match with D, so there is one D, so it's returning that D, right? But if I write slash D, okay, so I'm changing the way. So slash D now it's represent return all the digit from this data, so it's returning all the digit from this. Okay, fine. Now see, when I used small, it was returning a small. When I used capital, it was returning capital. But when I use capital D, it will return small with capital. See, with spaces and all, everything it's returning. Okay, but not the digit. Okay, but not the digit. Understood? So these are all the regular expression part 1 today. Okay, part 1. Fine. So let's continue with the same.